Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to complete the Microsoft Applied Skills certification for the topic Create and Manage Canvas app with Power Apps. Once after entering into the link, you can scroll down where you can start your assessment. So to start your assessment, you have to click this checkbox and then you can click start. It will take you to the assessment page. So the duration of this particular assessment is 2 hours. So you have to complete this within 2 hours. Okay. First you have to verify the account. So let's verify the account. Here it will take some time to load the assessment because we are going to do the assessment in the virtual machine. We are not going to do in our own system or in any website. We are going to do the assessment in the virtual machine. So it will take some time to load. So wait patiently until it gets completed. So once after getting into the screen, we can maximize this screen. So you can go to the left corner, click this, go for full screen and then press F11. So it will maximize the screen little bit larger. If you still want to maximize this browser, so come to the browser and then zoom in. So I am just clicking to the top corner and then I am zooming in. So where your screen gets larger, which is the screen where you are going to work will get larger. Okay. So if you want, you can, yeah. So this is sufficient for me so that I can see the right side information as well as this screen where I am going to work. So here they have given admin. So go to step 1. Here you have password, right? Click the password, automatically it will enter. Once it is done, click the right arrow, it will log in. Fine. The second step is read the scenario. So this you don't want to read, just if you want you can read it, you can skip it. So at step 3, open emails. So when you click open emails, automatically the emails will be opened in the browser. Okay, so here they have given the certain task. We have to complete this task. If we are getting at least 70%, we will clear this assessment or else we'll get failed. If you are failing in this particular assessment, you have to wait for another 72 hours to retake this particular assessment. We have to wait for another 3 days to take up this assessment. So retake assessment will be enabled after 3 days. Okay. So first we'll go for the general guidelines. You just read it out. Next, existing environment you can get to know. So here username and password they have given for the Microsoft Azure account. So here it is asking us to sign into the account, right? So or you can scroll down. In step 4 you have your login credentials. In the second tab you have to open the Microsoft Azure, microsoftonline.com. So here you can sign in. Just click the username. Automatically it will enter the username here. So click next. Then you have to enter the password. Just click the password. Automatically it will enter the password. Then sign in. I'll click don't show this message again. Yes. So here we are working on the virtual machine. So we have our own laptop. So inside this you can see one more screen. So this is the virtual machine. See, this is the browser. Okay, this is one system. This is a virtual machine. In that we are working on the assessment. So once after logging in, it will open the Power Apps site. Okay, this is the initial page where you will land. You can see the landing page of the Power Apps. Fine. Now let's go for the task. So we have to complete certain tasks before which proof of concept they have given. We'll see to this. So this is the first task we have to do. Second task is sales demo Canvas app. The third task is customer Canvas app. And the fourth task is export Canvas apps. So these are the 4 tasks we have to complete. So before which they have given existing environment, right? So here they have mentioned clearly that you can find these credentials by clicking the instructions tab. That is what they have given here. Now, because this is a new subscription, you will need to perform the following task to configure the prerequisite in the environment. So here I have to import 2 apps which they have already created. So how to import these 2 apps? We'll see now. So we'll go to the Power Apps page. Okay, click apps. Okay, afterwards there is an option called import app. Click this import app from package, because here they have given clearly that zip file. Okay, so I am clicking from package. I'll give upload. So where is the file? To know where is the file, they have mentioned clearly that in the C drive files folder there is a zip file called sales demo. In the second we have customers demo. We have to import these two things. So I'll click upload. I'll go for C drive and then I'll go for files. So first I'll import customers. Okay. So it is getting loaded. It is uploading a package. So when you're working on this, please make sure you have stable internet connection. If there is any issue with the internet, you can, here it will have an option, reconnect. You can click this, automatically it will ask you the password. So if it is asking you the password, you know the password is here, right? For the virtual machine, it will ask the password for the virtual machine. You have the password here, click the password and you can continue the work where you left. Okay, so it has been done. So I'll import, click import. So it is importing your package. It will take some time, just wait patiently. Yes, all package resources were successfully imported. So I have imported customers. Okay. Now let us go for importing the sales. See, I have got the data customers. Now let's go for sales. Import app from package. Go to upload. C drive. Inside files folder, we have to import sales demo zip. It is uploading a package. Okay, import. Okay, all package resources were successfully imported. So we have imported these two packages. So here is a step they have given how to import. Already we have imported. So the steps they have mentioned clearly here. Now let us go for our first task, proof of concept. So here they have given our first task. You need to create a blank phone canvas app in Power Apps that meets the following requirement. So I have to create a canvas app, that is blank phone canvas app. They have clearly mentioned. The first step, the app name must be in the app must be named POC. Capital P, small o, capital C. The app icon must be set to rating star icon. The app must contain a vertical gallery that inputs data from customer table in. They have given the location. Only customer field should be visible in the gallery. Publish the canvas app after you are done. This is our first task. Let's do this now. So here I'll go to the apps page. Fine. So it will take some time to refresh and it will get the sales demo also. So we have imported successfully. Okay. Now we are going to create our blank phone canvas app. Okay. Let us go for create or new app. You can go wherever you want. You can go for it. Okay. So here I will go for create. Okay. Create. Start with the blank canvas. Okay. I'll click this. Next, they have mentioned clearly that phone, blank phone canvas app. So I'll click phone here. Okay, it is loading. So wait patiently until it is getting completed. Okay. So this we don't want. If you want, you can take a skip of it. Okay. Fine. So now I have got a page. In case if you feel the letters are very small, here you can zoom. Okay, so I'll keep it as 50. If you want this page to be a little zoomed, you can click, you can zoom this page. Got it. So I have zoomed this page. What was the first task they have given? I have to name this POC, fine. The app icon must be set to rating star icon. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do is go to settings. Okay. So 3 dots, click the 3 dots. Now go to settings. So here app name I have to change, right? So what is the name I have to change for this app? POC. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here. Okay. So the name is capital P, small o, capital C. This is the name I have to give. Second, what did they mention? The app icon must set to rating star icon. Okay, app icon, right? So here we have app icon. So here we have app icon. So here we can scroll. So what I have to do? Rating star. Okay, I have set the app icon as rating star. So I have clicked this. It has changed. Okay, rating star is the app icon. So I am done with 2 steps. So here there is no need to save anything. Once it is done, close this. And please save once you are completing each and every task. Once any task is done, please save it. Now, what is the third step they have given? The app must contain a vertical gallery that imports data from customer table. They have given the location. Only customer field should be visible in the gallery. Okay, so customer field should be visible in the gallery. So first thing is I have to make sure we are in the vertical gallery. The app must contain a vertical gallery, right? So first step we have to make the vertical gallery. So what I'm going to do is click insert. Here make sure it is in the vertical gallery. Okay, it is loading. Currently we are in the vertical gallery. Now we have to select the data source. They have mentioned the data source, right? So click connectors or click connectors, see all connectors, import from Excel. So the path see files customer. So I have got the customer data and then click open. I'll repeat. Once you are done, see all connectors, import from Excel. After import from Excel, you will automatically go to the particular page. In the path C files, you will click the customer data file. Here in the right corner, you have to choose the data, right? So the data I'm going to choose is customer connect. So I have connected this data source. Okay. So the app must contain a vertical gallery. Yes, I have. So how did I go to the vertical gallery? Insert vertical gallery. I'm done. After that, it will ask us to connect to the data source. So how did we connect to the data source? Click the data source, connectors, see all connectors, import from Excel, and then you will go to the path. You will click the file and the table is, name of the table is customer. I have clicked this. Here they have mentioned saying that only customer field should be visible in the gallery. But in the gallery, we have image, title and subtitle. But we want only customer field should be visible here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click the layout. I'm going to have only one field. So just I'll mention this title. I'm going to have only one field. I'm going to give it as title. So in that one field, what field I need to make it as visible? Customer field. So go to the field, choose the customer. Okay, that's it. It is done. So customer field is visible now. See, John. All the customer details are getting visible here. So save this. We are done with the first task. Do you want to publish? Yes, of course we need to publish this. Once after saving this, it will be asking us to publish. So this is the icon we have for publish. So app name is POC. Fine. Publish this version. Yes. POC is now publishing. So wait until it is getting completed. Okay, publish successful. Done. So we have published this particular app, which means we are done with our first task. Okay, so here I'll just mark it as completed, completed. So it is not mandatory. Yes, for our understanding, I'll just marking it as completed. Now I'll go for sales demo canvas app. This is the second task. So what is the second task? You need to configure the sales demo app to meet the following requirements. So let's zoom in this page so that we can read it very clearly. Okay. Ensure the vertical gallery on finance view has profit display as a currency format as follows. So we need to display the currency in this format. This is the first thing which we have to do. So I'll just go to the apps page. So I'll click back, leave, yes. Okay, now I'll go to the apps page. So I have to open sales demo. Okay, now we are going to work on the sales demo app. Just getting loaded. Okay. I'll skip this. Okay. So if you want to zoom in this page, just zoom in this. Got it. Okay. Now what we are going to do? First step. Ensure that the vertical gallery on finance view. Okay. I'll go here. I'll go to the finance view. Okay. So in the finance view, here we have the currency. This has to be in the format of dollar hash comma hash hash 0.00. I have to change it to this currency format. So to change this, what I'm going to do is I'll select this currency here. Okay, text they have given, right? So here I'm going to change. So click this currency. When you click this currency, okay, you have an option called text here, right? Click this text. Here you can change, because the currency format I have to change. So how to change the currency format, that I'll write it now. So these codes will be given in the description. Okay, you can watch in the description. So double quotes, dollar, double quotes, ampersand, text. So here you have text. Click this text, open bracket, then this item. Okay, you have this item. Okay, this item dot profit. So click capital P. You have got profit. Okay, profit. So what is the format you want to give? So you have to mention that particular format. So the format is, the format should be given in double quotes. Hash, comma, hash hash 0.00. Close the double quotes, close the bracket. Then click enter. See, the format will get changed. Okay, so don't click enter, just click somewhere else. It will get changed. See here, $16185.00. See, it has got changed. They have asked dollar hash comma hash 00.00. So this, I have changed it to this format. Fine. So we are done with this. Okay, I'll repeat again. Click this profit, go to text, click this FX. Here you can change. So this I'll give it a description. You can see what is the format. Don't make any mistake in this, so that you will not get marks for this. Okay, you cannot copy paste, you have to type this. Okay, done. Now I'll go for the second task. What is the second task? From finance view, ensure that you navigate to finance detail by selecting an item in the gallery. Okay, from where I have to go? From finance view, I have to navigate to finance detail. Okay, Okay. They have clearly mentioned that I have to navigate from finance view to finance detail by selecting an item in the gallery. So in the gallery, if I select any item, okay, so I'll just select the gallery. Any item in the gallery, I'll just select this. Okay, so here what I have to do, I have to navigate to finance detail. Okay, from finance view, I have to navigate to finance detail. So just select any item. Okay, after that go to advanced. Okay, in the advanced, on select is here, right? So here I am going to change. Because if we are selecting any item, I have to navigate to finance detail. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give navigate. Okay, navigate. Done. So if you want to zoom this, click. And then you can zoom little. Don't zoom too much. You will not see anything. Zoom little. Okay. So here navigate. Finance detail. Okay, we have to navigate to finance detail, comma. So just navigate, there is no transition. So I'll just give screen transition, none. Screen transition, none. I'll just close this. That's all. Just click somewhere else. Done. See here, if I click any item, it will navigate to finance detail. So I'll just check. Okay. So I'm just checking how does this work. Okay. From finance view, if I am selecting any item, it is going to finance detail. So to know how does it work, just click this play button. So here if I am clicking any item, it is going to finance detail. So it's done. I'll close this. Okay. I'll go for the next task. After that, from finance detail, ensure that navigation container has a back button that brings you to finance view. Okay, I have to navigate from finance detail to finance view. So here I have to go to finance detail. Okay, now I am in the finance detail. What they have mentioned, I have to create a back button that should, when I click that back button, that should go to finance view. Okay, insert button. Okay, I have inserted a button. The name of the button is back. That is what they have done. I need to have this button, this back button. So here I'll go for display. I'll change the name as back. Okay, done. The name of the button is back. Now when I click this button, it should navigate to finance view. Okay, so I'll just click this, go to advanced, on select. So when I select that, what happened? It should navigate to finance view. So I'll give navigate. Okay, you have got down. Okay, fine. What I have to do? Finance view. Where I have to go? Finance view. I'll give finance view, comma. So there should not be any transition, right? So screen transition. So screen transition is none. I'll close this. Done. Okay. So just to check, when I click this, if I click back button, it is going to finance view page. So this is working fine. Close this. Let's go for the next task. Ensure that finance detail shows a label named unit sold. So in finance detail, I need to have a label called unit sold. To the right of the label, the unit sold value for the selected item must appear. Okay. So go to the finance detail page. I have to have a label. Okay. Insert. Text label. So here display name I have to give. The display name I am going to give it as unit sold. Okay, done. In the right side, what should be displayed? I have to show the units sold, right? Okay. Here we have to display the units, right? So for that, I'll just copy this text label 1. I'll copy and I'll paste it again. I'll just paste it to the right of this. Got it. So here, what I'm going to do is, I'll have that name as just text. Here, when this is being clicked, okay, what it should do? Select. I'm going to give the unit count, right? So gallery 1 dot selected dot units sold. That. So this is what I'll have here. So this name, sorry, I just changed. So first one should be name as unit sold. Okay. So this name I'll just change it to text. So for this only I have given on select. I have given this. Got it? Gallery 1 dot selected dot unit sold. Perfect. So we are done with the second task now. So 4 things we are done. So what we have to do? We have to save this. We have to publish this. So publish this version. Okay. After publishing, what you have to do? You have to go to the back. Come to apps. Here you have to go to the customers page now. I mean customers app now. Wait until it is getting loaded. Don't show this again. Skip. Okay. Now we have to go to the customer canvas app. So here they have given certain tasks. We will complete this. So in the sales demo canvas, we have completed this. I'll check this box. Customer canvas app. I'll just okay. So here they have given. You need to modify the button in the app to meet the following requirements. The initial app was created in a different subscription, so that you change the app to use the customer data file. Use the Microsoft OneDrive for Business Connector. Okay. Which means we have to load the data. Okay. So click data, add data, connectors. Go for see all connectors. What was the name they have mentioned here? The initial app was created different subscription. You must change the app to customer data file. Use the Microsoft OneDrive for Business Connector. So what is the connector name? They have to Microsoft OneDrive for business connector. So what we have to do? First click this data. Now it will ask add data. When you click add data, it will ask connectors. See all connectors. After clicking all connectors, you have to search OneDrive for business. OneDrive, yeah. So I've got OneDrive for business. So after that, it will ask us to connect. Yes, connect with this. After connecting with this, you will have the table name called customer. It is getting connected now. Once this is done, you have got customer data. Click this customer data. Click the table called the customer. Connect. That's all. We have got this. First step, it's done. Just zoom this a little bit. Got it. Now let us go for the second task. The plus icon must create a new form named edit form 1 and then open customer edit screen. So plus icon, right? That should create a new form. The name is edit form 1 and then open customer edit screen. So click this plus icon. Okay. Then go to advanced, on select. So when I am selecting this, what should happen? Create a new form, right? So I'll give new form. Okay. New form named edit form 1. Edit form 1. Okay. Here we have edit form 1. Fine. Close the semicolon. So we have given new form edit form 1. So next is we have to navigate, right? Further also we have to write. So click enter. Navigate. Okay. So where should we navigate? Customer edit screen. Customer edit screen. Customer edit screen. So there is no transition. So I'll give screen transition none. So click somewhere else. So if you want to just play and check. So when I click this plus, it will go to customer edit screen, but there is no transition at all. Done. Close this. Let's go for the second task. This is given here. The trash icon on customer details screen must remove the current record and navigate the user back to customer browse screen. Okay. Okay, the trash icon in customer details screen. Okay. So here you can change customer details screen. Here we have trash icon. Click this. On select, what I have to do? Remove customer. Okay. Comma. This item, then navigate to customer browse screen. Customer browse screen. There is no screen transition. So screen transition is none. Done. Next is the edit icon on customer details screen must bring the user to edit form 1 for the current record and then navigate to customer edit screen. Edit icon on customer details screen. Where is edit icon? Okay, this is the edit icon. So here, okay. Now in the advanced on select, when I do this, what happened? It should go to the edit form 1, right? So edit form. Edit form 1. Okay. Semicolon. Now we have to navigate. Navigate customer edit screen, customer edit screen, comma, screen transition is none. So screen transition none. Done. So click somewhere else. So we are done with this step also. Next is the check icon on customer edit screen must submit the form and navigate back to customer detail screen. Check icon on customer edit screen. So go to customer edit screen, check. Okay, this we have to change. Advanced. When I select this, what should happen? It should submit the form, right? So I'll give submit form. Okay. So which form? Edit form 1. So I have to submit the edit form 1 because that is the name we have given. And then I have to navigate. So navigate customer detail screen. I have to navigate the customer detail screen. So customer detail screen, comma, there is no screen transition. Screen transition is none. Done. I'll click somewhere else. We're done with this. And the last point is customer and customer ID must be required field on the customer edit screen. Okay, let's go to the customer edit screen. So here in advanced, type required. Okay, so this should be true because here they have mentioned it as must be required field. So the required field, right? So it should be true. So it should be given in the lowercase TRUE. Fine. Click this. And customer ID also. Customer ID also the required field. TRUE. Great. We are done with this. We are done with all the 5 points. 5 or 6 points. Here what should I do? I have to save this and then I have to publish. Publish this version. Done. So once it is getting published, we have to go back. So here what they have mentioned, we are done with this also. The last one is export Canvas app. So what are all the apps we have? We have to export all the Canvas app. Once you have completed all the configuration, please download the 3 Canvas app to the downloads folder on the local computer. Here are the steps. So they have given the steps. So we have to go to this website, click apps, select the app you want to export and click export. Name the package the same as the Canvas app name. What is the name given in the Canvas app? The same name you have to give. Click export. Fine. Let's export the app one by one. So I have gone to apps, down, click POC. Now what we have to do? We have to export. So click export. It will ask us the name. So capital P, small o, capital C. Export. So once you are exporting, it will get downloaded automatically in the downloads page only. Okay, so now we have to download. So it will get downloaded. So when I open this, it is in the downloads folder. See here, downloads, POC. See, POC. Now I have to go for the second. Apps, customers, export package. So the name should be customers. Export. So it will get downloaded. Done with this. Next is sales demo. Click this, export package. Sales demo, export. it will get downloaded. Yes, all 3 are getting downloaded. So we are done with all the tasks. Just give us mark as completed. Status. This is also done. That's all. So we are done with this particular assessment, and then you can click assessment. So once after submitting the assessment, it will evaluate and it will give you the score. If you are clearing this, you will get a certificate. Okay. In case if it is not getting loaded, you can refresh the page. Okay, you can stop this by, you can minimize this by pressing F11. So when you press F11, the full screen mode will be getting stopped. So then you can refresh the page, you will get the score. It will take some time to refresh. So don't close this. Reload the page twice, your score will get displayed. Because of network issues, it would have not got reflected, or because of the virtual machine, because the assessment we have done in the virtual machine, right? Because of that, it would have not reflected immediately. You can refresh the page twice or thrice. After that, your score will get visible. If you are clearing this assessment, you will get the certificate. Submit the assessment. That's it. It's still scoring. It takes some time. So let's wait. So you can click F11. So when I click F11, the full screen mode will be turned off. So wait patiently, because it takes some time to evaluate the assessment, because we are done in the virtual machine. So it will ask us to refresh the page. So just refresh. Yeah, we have got. So the minimum pass percent is 68%. We have got 74%. So now to see a credential, you can click View Credential. So you can click this View Credential. See here, when I see, we have got the credential here. Thumbnail isn't going on. So we have got the credential. This is what you have to do. That's all. Thank you.